course, ancient India has been the origin of yoga practice for thousands of years. In order to enhance physical, mental, and spiritual well-being, this holistic discipline incorporates breathing techniques, meditation, physical postures, and ethical concepts. Here is a summary of yoga. History and philosophy. One of the earliest known scriptures, the Rig Veda, made the first reference to yoga, which has its roots in ancient Indian philosophy. Sanskrit derives the word yoga from the word yuj, meaning to yoke or to unite. Yoga aims to achieve a condition of balance and harmony by bringing the mind, body, and spirit together. Yoga types. Yoga comes in various forms, each with its own emphasis and methodology. Among the more common kinds are: Hatha Yoga places a strong emphasis on breathing exercises, pranayama, and physical postures, asanas. It's excellent for novices. Vinyasa Yoga is well known for its fluid poses that connect movement and breathing. It can be quite difficult and dynamic. Ashtanga Yoga, an intense form of yoga that adheres to a set order of poses and is excellent for people looking for a strenuous physical workout. Bikram Yoga, also referred to as hot yoga, this kind of yoga involves performing a predetermined set of poses in a heated chamber. Iyengar Yoga emphasizes alignment and accuracy in every pose, frequently with the aid of straps and blocks. Kundalini Yoga uses chanting, breath work, and postures to activate spiritual energy. Restorative Yoga encourages profound relaxation by supporting the body in passive positions with props. Yoga's advantages. Numerous advantages of yoga exist for the body and mind. Physical health. It improves balance, strength, and flexibility. It can also help control weight and improve cardiovascular health. Mental health. It reduces anxiety, depression, and stress. It encourages emotional stability and mental clarity. Spiritual development fosters inner serenity, self-awareness, and mindfulness. General well-being promotes the body's capacity for optimal healing and performance. Important elements of yoga practice. Asanas, postures, exercises intended to increase balance, strength, and flexibility. Pranayama, breath control. These methods use breath control to affect the body's prana, life force, flow. Meditation, techniques for concentrating the mind and reaching a profoundly relaxed and awakened state. Deep meditation that results in a feeling of oneness with the subject of meditation is known as dhyana, meditative absorption. Ethical principles, the yamas, restraints, and niyamas, observances, guide moral behavior. Yoga in the present era. People practice yoga all over the world and incorporate it into a variety of fitness and wellness regimens. Yoga has evolved to cater to diverse needs such as mental health, spiritual growth, and physical fitness. People of all ages and fitness levels can participate in classes that range from mild and healing to intense and athletic. Getting started with yoga. A beginner-friendly class or online instruction might be a suitable place to start. If yoga is new to you, here are some pointers. Discover your style. Try out various forms of yoga to see what suits you best. Consistency. Even if you only practice for a short while each day, do it on a regular basis. Pay attention to your body. Don't push yourself too hard. Instead, respect your body's limits. Seek guidance. You can learn appropriate methods and prevent harm with the assistance of a trained instructor. In conclusion, yoga is a flexible discipline with many mental, spiritual, and physical advantages. You can find a yoga practice that suits your needs, whether you want to get fitter, feel less stressed, or discover more about yourself. Namaste. Thanks for watching and do subscribe my channel.